As you can see, we are currently in the middle of half a tree. As scores of people gather to watch the female 100-meter finals, in which our very own Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah and Shericka Jackson are all expected to dominate. They are currently lining up and everyone is waiting anxiously and excitedly to watch the race.
Nobody else can decide that. Shelly-Ann wants to win them. They can't be.
I feel good for my Jamaica people them. I feel good for my country to all the corona what we're going through. I feel good. Big up what's your name? Shelly-Ann Fraser. Big up the other team. Straight.
Well, I feel so excited. I knew it would be excited, you know. All I wanted was for the 3 Jamaicans to be at the top. 1, 2, 3, and we did it. And it's an overwhelming feeling, you know. Knowing that they were out for a year, had to be waiting, and we're not sure about getting to the Olympics, because up to 2 weeks ago it was not a surety, and for them to go there and do it, it's a great feeling.
But I think Thompson, she's the fastest girl always, but she did have problems, so I guess she overcome her problem. And Stephen Francis, you're the best. You're the best ever. Nothing tests you, sir. You're the best. Enough respect. I am Property. Big up on yourself, Jamaica.
How do you feel about the race?
Feel good, man. Long time we don't win no race, we don't win no goal, nothing, you know. I like that. Feel good.
Were you surprised about Elaine's win?
Yeah. Surprised. Shelly-Ann, we are looking for win. Yeah. Yeah.